friends, welcome back to the channel Food is God Gift. Today I'm going to show you how to make a most delightful world best upside down banana cake and top with a caramel sauce, and we're going to see that how to make the best caramel sauce in while. And this cake is so moist and so addicted. It's all this banana goodness. Look at this, friend. It's gooey, sweet, and flavorful, and really good. And I believe this is going to be your most favorite banana cake. This recipe is easy. Let's see what you need. Is all all your pantry ingredient. Is 1 cup all-purpose flour, half cup wheat flour, baking soda, cinnamon powder. Please check the description below for all the matrix and cup measurement. Half cup sugar, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 2 eggs, 1/3 cup melted butter, 1/3 cup buttermilk, vanilla extract, 1 cup mashed bananas. So I just start mashing the small pieces banana. So before we start it, let's keep it ready, and in no time we can make this delicious banana cake. So friend, to make this cake more elegant and special, let's see how to make the toppings. It's a brown sugar, walnut, butter, slices banana. So I cut for 1/4 inches. This is the perfect. So let me show you how I placed all this banana upside down. Is a classic cake with a twisted with the arrangement and then the elegant perfect look upside down banana. So I just arranging. So this is the 8 inches bun cake. So I just arranging all that, and then I'm sprinkle some brown sugar and then drop some cube butter. So it's naturally going to be caramelize the banana on the bottom and sprinkle some walnut. So now let's see how I set that dry ingredient. So basically we need to have that flour, all-purpose flour, all wheat flour, cinnamon powder, salt, baking soda, baking powder. Just give a nice whisk. That's this, friend. This is ready, and now we can see the wet ingredient. So it's really handful if you follow this technique. So I just add the mashed banana, sugar, brown sugar. I just start whisk. Now I add the melted butter. So you always can use the corn oil or vegetable oil. I find the melted butter give the nice flavor and moist in our banana cake, and this is really easy, but you always can use the oil to replace that melted butter. Now I added buttermilk, vanilla extract. So friend, just whisk. You no need to overbeat this mixture. And now we can add a flour. Just give a nice mix. Always add a little bit by little, so it will easily cooperate and easy to mix. And basically we no need to overbeat the batter. It will really flop that cake. So keep in mind, always mix flip flop like a crossing, and then just mix 1 2. That's it until you find that the cooperate all the mix. You no need to overbeat. So now it's ready. The batter is ready. Now I'm just pour to the mold that we prepared earlier. So on the bottom, that banana and the sugar, walnut, and after that we're going to add this banana cake batter. So once you fill the batter and just level it, all is in same level, and I'm baking to 325 Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. So always bake in the middle. Now it's ready. You can see all the edges. The caramelized is ready, and then brown inside the bamboo skewer, and the check is come out clean. Now let it cool completely, at least 1 hour, and now I'm going to show you how I make that the best caramel sauce. So it's equal part 2 tablespoon cream, 2 tablespoon brown sugar, 2 tablespoon butter. Just melted butter and sugar. One is start bubble. It's all melted and start bubbly. It's just take 3 minutes. Now we can add the cream. Once it's all melted and the caramel sauce will come together. Now it's ready, friends. You can see that it's just glossy and so hot piping. Caramel sauce is ready. So you always can use this caramel sauce for many dessert. So you can pour it in ice cream, and this is the caramel and the banana. It just work perfect together. So this is like the traditional way. We make that from the overripe banana, and this caramel sauce, so good, friend. So let's see how I plate this banana cake upside down. So I just run my bamboo skewer in the edge. Just keep repeating until you find the cake is loosen up and move slowly. And now we can flip pop. Now you can see that the cake and the topping bananas all came out. Look at this. Look at it. It smells so good here. The caramel and the banana is so yummy. And then the taste really, I bet, is really good. Now I just drizzle the caramel sauce that we prepare. What is nothing is good with this delicious banana and caramel is out of world, friends. It's a homemade and have best texture, moist, and creating the caramel sauce drizzle on the top of cake is out of world, friends. So delicious. There's no words to describe how delicious this cake. So I really enjoy this homemade banana cake. If you have the overripe banana, you always can make this delicious cake, and everybody going to amaze how special this homemade cake. It's so good, friend. Give us cut the slice. It's so soft and moist. You can see that the cake even move. Look at the texture. It's not crumbly. It's just moist and perfect. You can store this cake in the refrigerator for 7 days, and always can freezer for 3 months, and always can serve with any side. I always like to eat my banana caramel cake with a scoop of ice cream. So your choice. Itself by itself really tastes really good. If moreover with a scoop of vanilla ice cream and drizzle the caramel sauce is out of world, friends. So I hope you enjoy another recipe from our channel, and I believe you really enjoy this banana upside down cake with the super moist delicious texture cake. Thank you for watching another video from our channel. Before you leave, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell button to get the notification. Thank you.